onion is rupees 140. We are going to find out the cost of 12 kg onion. So what will be our first statement? Our first statement will be, let us the cost of 12 kg onion be x. I told हमको assume करना है, क्या assume करना है? 12 किलो onion का x rupees. Clear? Let the cost of 12 kg onion be rupees x. Now what are varying? Here the quantity of onion, kg बोला है मतलब quantity बताया है. The quantity of onion and their cost are in direct proportion. ये कौन से proportion में है? ये हमारा direct proportion में है. Clear? What is given? 7 kg onion cost is given 140. We are going to find out the cost of 12 kg onion. So here first we are going to write it down. Cost of 12 kg onion be rupees x. Then the quantity of onion and their cost are in direct proportion. Now we are going to write out the ratio. अभी ratio कैसे लिखने हैं? Just wait a minute. Okay. Now ratio क्या बोला है? What they have said? They have said that 140 में कितने किलो ऑनियन आए हैं? 7 किलो. Then what will be the x rupees when we are getting how many kg of onion? 12 kg. See, 140 में 7 kg, then x rupees में 12 kg. Next step will be the cross multiplying, that is 7 into x equal to 12 into 140. Steps are not changing. 7 into x multiply by 12 into 140. Now if we cross multiply, what we get? 7 into x, 7x the 7x, and multiply 12 by 140 in your working column. What you are getting? Just check, cross check with your answer and my answer. 12 multiply by 140. 7 into x will be 7x. And if we multiply 12 by 140, what you people are getting? I want answers in the chat box. Very good, Snehal Vaishnavi. We are getting that is 1680. Your answer and my answers are matching. That 1680. Clear? Now what I told, one side x that will remain here equal to 1680, and this 7 is multiplication, it will come here, it become division. Division हो जाएगा. Now do the cuttings. Now we are going to write, we are going to see the table of 7 only. 7 ones are 7. Then 7 में 16 नहीं आता है, but 7 में आता है 14. 7 twos are 14. How much is remaining? 2 is remaining. 2 मैंने यहाँ पे carry किया, it become 28. Now 7 के table में 28 is coming. 7 fours are 28, and 0 will take there only, so it become 240. X is equal to 240. Clear how I get the cutting? 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14, because there is 16. 2 बच गया, 2 मैंने बाजू में carry किया, it become 28. 7 fours are 28, and 0 as it is we have taken. So what is the answer? That is 240. That means 12 kilo, 12 kg of onion we are getting for the rupees 240. 240 में 12 kg onion we are getting. So the last statement should be, we must pay rupees 240 for 12 kg of onion. Clear? How much you have to pay? You have to pay 240 for 12 kg onion. See, very easy. First हमको जो पूछा है उसको x rupees में assume करना है. Then we are going to say which things are varying. वेरी कर रहा है डायरेक्ट प्रपोर्शन में, देन रेशियो लिख के क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, देन डिवाइड इट एंड गेट द आंसर. सो दैट मच आंसर वी आर गेटिंग, दैट वी हैव टू पे. So I hope everyone got it clear idea. So write it down in your notebook. Copy down this sum. I'm giving you 2 minutes for copy down these sums in your notebook. Okay. Now we are doing the third sum. Now here you people are going to tell me the steps. Through that only we are going to solve in this book. Okay. So the question is, for 9 cow, 13 kg, 500 gram of food supplement are required every day. See, listen question. 9 काउस के लिए कितना खाना सप्लाई कर रहे हैं? 13 kg, 500 ग्राम for every day, each day. In the same proportion, how much will be needed for 12 cows? See, the same proportion is there. So you are going to find out for the 12 cows. Clear? 9 cows के लिए है 13 kg, 500 gram. Then you have to find out for the 12 cows. Clear? Now you're going to write down the answers in the chat box. What will be the first statement? Okay, I think everyone having textbook also. So they are going to tell me the answer and I'm going to write it down. Okay, so what will be our first statement? हमने क्या find out करना है? That we are going to count as x kg. So what will be our first statement? Cross multiplication. No, Tanishka. Directly cross multiplication. First step is what? Yes, let the cost. यहाँ पे cost तो बताया ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे food supplement का बोला है ना? Okay, very good. What will be our first statement? Our first statement will be, let the quantity पूछा है ना यहाँ पे. Let the quantity of food required be x kg. Clear? What will be our first statement? Let the quantity of food required be x kg. See, you are going to do with me only, because I will write one statement and I will going to rub it down. So with me, you people are going to write it down. So what is our first statement? Let the quantity of food required will be x kg. Clear? Okay. Now what will be our second statement? अभी आपको क्या बताना है? क्या किससे वराइज होता है? डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. वेरी गुड स्नेहल. राइट. वेरी नाइस. Now what is going to be write it down in the second statement? What we are going to write it down? Very good. Now see what we are going to write it down. क्या चीज डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन है? Okay. The second statement is quantity of food required and number of cows. ये दोनों क्या है? Are in direct proportion. Clear? What is our next statement? Quantity of food required and number of cows are in direct proportion. Clear? What is our second statement? Quantity of food required, number of cows से वेराइज कर रहा है, so वो दोनों क्या है? डायरेक्ट प्रपोर्शन. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ थर्ड स्टेटमेंट में हमको क्या लिखना है? रेशियो. नो स्नेहल, मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे जब तक हम रेशियो नहीं लिखेंगे? थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज आवर रेशियो. चलो रेशियो कैसा आएगा? टेल मी रिगार्डिंग द रेशियो. What will be our ratio? 13/9? No. Ratio will be 13 kg 500 ग्राम में कितना काउ है? 13 काउ. क्लियर? इक्वल टू x में 12. Clear? This will be the ratio. 13 kg 500 ग्राम में 13 सॉरी रॉन्ग हो गया, एक सेकेंड, here 9 ओके 13 kg 500 में 9 cows, so x में 12 cows. Clear? Now you are going to do the cross multiply. Cross multiply will be 9 into x equal to 12 into 13,000. Just wait a minute. Okay. As we cross multiply, 9 into x equal to 12 into 13,500. Clear? Now 9 into x will be 9x. Now multiply 12 by 13,500. What you people are getting? Let me know the answer. 12 multiplied by 13,500. Very good. You are getting answer, that is 162. What you got? Is it right? Yes, it is 1,62,000. So the next step, we are going to keep here x only. X equal to, now x equal to 162,000 should divided by 9. Chalo, do the division and let me know the answer. The final answer I want to know from your side only. Chalo, do the cuttings and let me know. Yes, I know answer. Very good, Snehal, Vaishnavi, you people have given the right answer. But I want answers from other student also. Next, you are going to answer one question. Fast. Very good. What we are getting answer? X is equal to 18 kg. How much? 18 kg. 18 kg. We are getting the answer, that is X equal to 18 kg. Clear? Okay. So that means 18 kg will be needed for 12 cows. That will be needed for the 12 cows. So I think you people have written also. So here we have done with our practice set 37, and in our next lecture we are going to start with a new practice, and homework is question number 2, 4 and 5. 2, 4 and 5 is next question. That is the homework part for you people.